In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add first name in Mailchimp email automatically. Personalizing your message can make a big difference in engagement, and Mailchimp makes it simple with merge tags. A merge tag is a smart placeholder that pulls in information from your audience, like a subscriber's first name, and drops it right into your content at send time. Here's how to place that tag exactly where you want it using the website builder interface. Start by opening your project in the website builder and navigating to the section that contains the text you want to personalize. Click directly on the text block where you plan to greet your readers. You'll see the editing options appear, and this puts you in the right spot to insert the dynamic content. Place your typing cursor at the exact position where the first name should appear. For example, if you're crafting a greeting, you might type "Hi" and then leave a space for the tag to come next. Being precise here helps your sentence read naturally once the name is added. Look toward the top toolbar for the option labeled Merge Tags. This menu is where Mailchimp keeps all the dynamic fields you can insert, including names, email addresses, and other subscriber data. Click Merge Tags to open the list. From the list, choose the merge tag for a subscriber's first name. When you select it, Mailchimp will insert a placeholder into your text block. It usually looks something like a short code, and that's your confirmation that personalization is in place. Don't worry if you still see the placeholder in the editor. The real first name will appear automatically for each contact when the message is delivered. At this point, your greeting is set to adapt to each person who receives your content. If your audience has first names stored, readers will see their own name right where you place the tag. If a contact doesn't have a first name on file, your message will display based on your account's settings, so it's a good idea to write the surrounding sentence so it still sounds friendly, even without a name. A couple of quick tips to keep things polished. Add punctuation around the tag the way you would in a normal sentence, avoid extra spaces before commas, and keep your tone consistent so the personalization feels natural. That's all there is to it. With just a click on the text block, a quick cursor placement, the Merge Tags button, and selecting the name tag, you've added instant personalization to your Mailchimp content.